Hello, magandang araw. My name is Mar Abilia, and I am a financial advisor in Insular Life. So I've been with Insular Life for almost 2 years now. Actually, going 2 years this coming August 14. So I prepared this blog especially for those who are looking for insurance. They're planning to buy insurance, but they want to know something before uh, buying insurance. So even also for those who have their own policy already, this is also for you because there are some uh, details na maaari magpag-encourage din sa inyo why you have to keep on paying and why you have to continue your insurance. I'm sure that in this time, medyo marami tayong mga iniisip ngayon, especially na down yung market and maybe we're thinking of giving up our policy. So I prepared this video to give an encouragement or even to give you tip and mainly to give you tips on what you have to consider before you buy insurance. Okay, so without further ado, let's start. So number one, uh, tip is to know your purpose why you are buying insurance. So, bakit ba tayo bibili ng insurance? Is it for income protection? Is it for protection, long-term savings, or for your retirement? You have to know that because that's gonna be your foundation why you are getting an insurance. Kasi in the latter part, kung nagkaroon lang ng konting problem, nagkaroon lang ng konting, bumaba ng konting income natin, minsan nauuna yung insurance na tanggalin natin sa cost cutting pag nagko-cost cutting tayo sa number one. So, dapat nakafocus tayo dito sa goal natin na i-continue yung insurance natin kasi uh, we know na this is something that we can help us kapag nagkaroon ng problem, let's especially for sa health natin or suddenly if in case of death, kung kunin na tayo ni Lord and we want na maging maayos pa rin yung takbo ng pamumuhay ng family natin, we have to continue. Those are the foundation na kailangan nating isipin. Kailangan nating yung focus natin of continuing your premiums and kung bakit ba natin kinuha itong policy na to. Kung bakit ba tayo pumasok sa insurance na to. So there is also a commitment. And this is for you din naman. Kailangan mo lang talagang pagsikapan, kailangan magtiis lang ng konti. And for sure, in the future, you will also benefit for this and also your family. Right? So that's tip number one. And tip number two, before you buy insurance, buy now, not later. Kasi 'di ba tayo I, I don't know kung bata ka pa, kung may family ka na or kung uh, nags or kung nasa retirement age ka na. So it's actually better na mag-start tayo kung bata pa tayo. So yun din yung natutunan ko na nung pumasok ko sa insurance industry and nung bumili ako ng sarili kong insurance, it is very important na uh, bata pa tayo gawin. Kasi bakit? Kasi kung bata pa tayo bumili ng insurance, malaki yung potential na makuha na, malaki taas yung coverage na pwede ibigay sa akin. Kahit mababa lang yung plan. Unlike kapag medyo latter age ka na kumuha, mahal na yung charge ng insurance and bababa na yung insurance coverage na pwedeng bang ma-avail doon sa insurance mo. And for sure, tayo naman gusto natin mas malaki yung maibigay natin sa family natin if something happened. And isa pa doon nagbabago yung mga priorities natin in life, depende sa stage ng life natin ngayon. So kung bata ka pa, priority natin ngayon is more on buying things or good thing kung more on savings, this is your opportunity to buy your insurance already. And kung may family naman tayo, of course, dumadami yung mga responsibilities natin for sa families hanggang sa makalimutan na natin na bumili ng insurance, dumating na yung retirement age natin, and we haven't buy even one policy for your family and even for yourself. So, it's important na hindi na huwag tayong mag-delay kung kailan tayo bibili ng insurance. Kung kaya naman na talaga I understand na may pandemic yan, pero kung mayroon ka na may extra income that you can use to buy insurance, it's better to start now. Kasi baka dumating yung time na hindi na tayo eligible to start or to get an insurance because meron na tayong illnesses or yun, especially kung meron tayong illnesses, mahirapan na tayong kumuha ng insurance. And then, invest only a portion of your savings. So, kung papasok tayo sa insurance, especially in the context nung sa insurance sa may savings, so, invest only yung savings mo na hindi mo naman ganun ka, yung extra savings mo na hindi nakalaan para dun sa mga daily expenses mo or especially like your monthly bills, yung mga paggagamitan mo, yung mga short-term expenses na kailangan mong paggamitan, it's very important na ipapasok natin sa investment is hindi tayo masyado maapektuhan kasi nga medyo since kapag nasa sa investment tayo, we know that there is risk kasi portion of your investment is napupunta doon sa stock market. I mean, portion of your investment goes to your investment, and we know that stock markets are volatile. So, minsan mataas, minsan mababa. So, kung bumaba man, at least hindi tayo magpapanik kasi we know na yung pinasok natin pera doon is hindi naman yun yung pera na kailangan natin talaga. But I'm not saying na hindi maganda pumasok sa investment. It's very actually maganda pumasok sa investment kasi hindi naman laging bagsak ang stock market. Pero we know na bumabawi din naman yan. Right now lang talaga nagkaroon ng pandemic, but for sure kapag nagkaroon ng vaccine, naging maayos na ulit yung lahat, babalik na ulit yan sa normal. And mararamdaman ulit natin yung potential na pag-increase ulit ng ating investment or savings. And then tip number 4, think insurance as investment, not liabilities or expenses. So, di ba tayo, iniisip natin lagi dagdag gastos kaya hindi tayo bumibili. Yun usually na reason natin kung bakit hindi tayo agad bumibili ng insurance. So, hanggang sa nadidelay na lang. Di ba pag meron tayong savings, gawin tayong savings, natutuwa tayo kasi may savings tayo. Ganun din dapat sa insurance. Hindi yung kunting nagkaroon tayo na bumabala ng kunting income natin, nangunguna na agad yung insurance na tanggalin natin sa list natin. So, dapat hindi ganun. Kasi we know na magagamit natin in case na magkasakit or in case sa unfortunate event. This is something na makakatulong sa atin. Hindi na mababawasan pa yung savings mo talaga sa bangko. So, yun. So, hindi na natin kailangan pa mangutang pa para sa mga medical expenses or medication expenses. And tip number 5, what is your priority? This, in the context of DUL, it is very important na alam mo yung priorities mo if it's savings or is it investment. Kasi pwede kang mamili. Kung ang priority mo is more on insurance, you can increase the coverage. Pero do not expect na ganun kalaki yung kabilis yung pag-grow ng savings mo. Kasi nga nakafocus ka dun sa insurance. Gusto mo mataas yung coverage mo. Or kung nakafocus ka naman sa savings, pwede mo babaan lang yung insurance coverage mo kung meron ka naman ng mga insurance coverage sa iba. Or meron din namang mga plans na talagang designed for insurance and meron ding plans na designed for investment. So, depende yun sa priority. That's why it's very important na alam mo yung priority mo dun sa pagkuha mo ng insurance. And number 6, make sure you understand what you are buying. So, don't be shy to ask questions to your financial advisor kung meron kang hindi naintindihan kasi there are times na nag-close mo na, nag-okay ka na, pero in the latter part, may binasa ka sa policy, may mga hindi ka pala natanong, tapos ayaw mo pala. So, you have to ask questions to your financial advisor. Make sure that you fully understand what you are getting to avoid yung hassle nyo, yung time mo, and yung time ng financial advisor. You have to respect also the time of one another and yung effort. Sayang kapag ika-cancel din natin kasi meron tayong hindi naunawaan during the discussion. And lastly, think this as a commitment. So, ayan. So, we know that getting insurance is a long-term commitment. Remember, this is for your future. You always remember that this is future. Huwag nating basta agad isuko yung pagbabayad ng premium. Di porket nawalan ka na ng trabaho or bumaba ang konti income mo, ito na agad yung priority mo na tanggalin. Maybe there are other lifestyle na pwede mong i-downgrade or pwedeng alisin muna for the meantime para ma-continue mo tong insurance. Kasi again, remember tip number 4, think insurance as investment, not expenses or not liabilities. Because for sure, makikinabang ka rin dito pagdating ng panahon and even your family. So, yun guys, these are the tips for you before buying insurance. So I hope that you learned a lot from this. If you have other questions regarding insurance, you can comment below kung meron pa yung mga clarifications or other inquiries about regarding insurance and investments. I'm sure marami ka natutunan ngayon, and see you again on my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. God bless.